So let's discuss about the first order logic FOL in the AI artificial intelligence. So as we have discussed the propositional logic, which is a part of logic programming, which is subdivided into two parts. Propositional logic we have seen with the help of the truth tables now, and the other part of the logic is the predicate logic. Now let us discuss FOL, first order logic, which is more expressive than your propositional logic. We have basically these operators: conjunction, disjunction, implication, by implication, and negation. So we will be applying these operations upon the logic, and we have two universal quantifiers, universal quantifier and existential quantifier. This is for applicable on for all, and this is for some or only few upon it. Okay, let us see how it is being defined or denoted. So the FOL will be denoted in the form of P of X, where P represents the predicate and X represents the subject. So what is a predicate? Predicate is as simple as your English terminology predicate, where we apply it upon a subject and the verb. Okay, it is a part of a sentence containing some verb or action word upon a subject. For example, Sita is eating. So what is the predicate over there? Eating. Okay, and it is applied upon the Sita. Likewise, we have few examples here. I have listed out few for you. Peter is tall. So tall is, it's not a verb, but it is a predicate which is been applicable on Peter. So how we denote? P of X. P is our predicate, X is our noun or subject. All birds fly. All, since we are using the term called as all will be with respect to implication, and their exist will be applied on conjunction. For all X, what will be flying? Birds will be flying. All happy people smile. For all X, people is again your subject, happy is again a subject, and what are they doing? They are smiling. So we apply it and we have denoted it with the conjunction and the implication part. Now another example, some gorillas are black. Some, when we talk about some or few, we use this existential quantifier. We are talking about the gorillas. Okay, gorillas is again denoted with X. Are black. Okay, few of the gorillas are black or some of the gorillas are black will be denoted by the existential quantifier. Hope you have understood this concept. Let us see the next part of it in the next class. Thank you so much.